Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of bicycle maintenance with a product that's been making waves among cycling enthusiasts worldwide. Introducing the Muc-Off C3 Ceramic Dry Chain Lube, touted as the best lubricant for bicycle cables available in the market. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's talk about why having a high-quality chain lubricant is crucial for any cyclist. Your bike's chain is like the heart of its drivetrain, responsible for transferring power from your legs to the wheels. But without proper lubrication, that heart can quickly become clogged with dirt, grime, and corrosion, leading to poor performance, increased wear and tear, and even potential damage to your bike. That's where the Muc-Off C3 Ceramic Dry Chain Lube comes in. This premium bike chain lubricant is formulated with cutting-edge ceramic particles and synthetic polymers, creating a ceramic coating that provides unparalleled performance, even in the harshest dry and dusty conditions. What sets this lube apart from the competition is its advanced formula, which not only reduces friction and energy consumption but also ensures silky smooth gear shifts and drivetrain efficiency. And here's the kicker. It contains a UV detection system with an integral tracer dye, visible under UV light, allowing you to ensure maximum coverage and protection for your bike's chain. Applying the Muc-Off C3 Ceramic Dry Chain Lube is a breeze. Simply clean your chain thoroughly, shake the bottle well, and apply a generous amount to each link while rotating the pedals backward. Then, let it dry for a few minutes, and you're good to go. It's that easy. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. Is it worth the price? Well, let me tell you, investing in high-quality chain lubricant like the Muc-Off C3 Ceramic Dry Chain Lube is an investment in the longevity and performance of your bike. Plus, with its biodegradable, petroleum-free formula, you can rest easy knowing you're not only taking care of your bike but also the environment. In conclusion, if you're serious about keeping your bike running smoothly and efficiently, look no further than the Muc-Off C3 Ceramic Dry Chain Lube. With its premium formula, advanced features, and rave reviews from cyclists around the world, it's the best lubricant for bicycle cables you can get your hands on. So why wait? Give your bike the care it deserves and pick up a bottle today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love. Until next time, happy cycling!